Hey fishy people, welcome back to the channel. I'm coming at you with another video in the 365 days of fish keeping series. If you don't know what that means for all of 2022, I am posting one video a day, highlighting a plant, a food, a fish, anything fish keeping related. These videos are going to be quick little snapshots of whatever the subject is for the day. If we're talking fish and plants, you're going to get a little synopsis and a care guide. Same for food and equipment or anything else really. I'm also going to give everything a rating from 1 to 10 based on my personal preference on the subject. And as always, thank you so much for all the support on the videos, but please, if you have not, remember to smash that sub button, and let's get into the video, everybody. In this video, we'll be looking at a form of filtration that is quite frankly one of the easiest and very efficient ways to filter your tank. That of course is the sponge filter here. Sponge filters provide both mechanical and biofiltration. The sponge is going to trap floating debris here, and it's not going to suck up your fish like your intake on your hang-on backs will. Now, sponge filters are one of the most popular filtrations used in most fish stores. You'll see these things in most of your fish stores that you go into. So how exactly do they work? Well, you're going to require a couple things. One, your sponge filter. Two, airline tubing, which is going to hook up in this thing here. And then, of course, an air pump, which is going to be what makes this all work. So, the air pump is going to push air through the tube inside the hollow part of your sponge filter here. Then it's going to make bubbles. Those bubbles are going to draw water in through the sponge. And when it draws in that sponge water, it's going to also take in all the particulates in your water column. It's also going to give a place on the sponge surface for your beneficial bacteria to grow. It's basically creating a siphon in your sponge filter. So air in, bubbles up, bubbles pull in, create a siphon, and trap all that stuff on there. Now, you can also hot wire these where you can take this top part off and throw a air stone in there so you can regulate the size of your bubbles so you're not getting that glugging sound from new bubbles breaking on the surface. Now, when it comes to cleaning these, there are a couple ways. Some people will tell you to stick a bag inside the tank. So this is on the bottom. You take your bag, you get underneath it, hold the whole thing out in one piece. That way you don't get all the stuff falling off of it and causing any mess. Some people just pick it up, take it right out of your tank. What I do is I will grab the whole sponge filter. I'll have a bowl or some type of collection unit right at water level. I'll pull it out, I'll quickly drip it right in there so there's not all water splashing or debris getting in. For me, it works. I don't have any problems. Most of this stuff is going to stay in there. It avoids most of the mess. I don't have to worry about fish possibly getting trapped in the bag, and that's just how it works for me. Then when it comes to actually cleaning out your sponge, you're going to take your sponge like you would for the ones in your hang-on back, stick them in some tank water. You can squeeze them while they're on this tube here, or if you want, you can take the top off here, then take your sponge off, and just squeeze it so you can get the inside part, because sometimes there will be particulates in there as well. So yes, sponge filters do require 2 extra components to make them work compared to your hang-on backs, but they're still an extremely easy form of filtration and one that's very efficient in cleaning your tank water. I've known some people that will even wrap an active carbon sheet around them to help filter more. Since I have plants in all my tanks, I don't do this because I don't want it pulling the active carbon, pulling out the nutrients that my plants need. And there are also so many different kinds of sponge filters. We're just talking about the generic run-of-the-mill one here. You have ones that you can add biomedia to. You have ones that are triangular that go in corners that you can also add biomedia to. You have some that are cylinders with biomedia containers on the bottom. And you have some that just have an internal plug. You plug it into your outlet and it works. So for the sheer ease of use and the variety of the different types, but also that they do require the extra pump and airline tubing needed to work, I'm going to go ahead and give the sponge filter a 9 out of 10. As always, thank you all so much for the continued support on the videos. If you're new here and you're enjoying the content, remember to hit that subscribe button if you have not already. And please leave a comment down below. Let me know your opinion on sponge filters. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Do you use them? And of course, please remember to like the video as well, and until next time, I'll catch you guys around.